Hello everyone, as you've seen over here today, I'm trying to make a bit of a dinner tonight for my brother and for my wife. So you guys have already seen the old videos about how they have performed it. I'm trying to go with a bit of different thing today. I have got chicken breast, which I'm gonna make a grilled chicken with this, and you've got to see over here it's a potato. So with potato, basically I'm trying my own recipe. For the French fries we call chips in Australia, and here we go the corn, which I'll be showing a bit of a trick how you can eat with chicken and potato. Others are just my simple ingredients that you can buy easily at anywhere in Costco, in Woolworths or Coles. So now let's try with the chicken. Trying to cut as a butterfly. You can see I have a little bit of big chicken breast on a butterfly, but one thing is you can get a fork and you can go with a bang 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 bang. This is all holes. Probably you won't see it, all the holes. You need to have exact 52 holes in the chicken. Just do a pat dry, not much. It always recommend you to use oil. So at least when you use oil, it does soak everything that you put later on. I've got a Moroccan spice, a little bit of Moroccan spice. You can put it on this one. Just give it a bit of a rub. You can see the color. It just needs to be a little bit of orange. I also do like to use onion powder in a traditional way that gives a bit of a flavor. Garlic. The garlic doesn't have to be on an exact place. It needs to give you a bit of a smell and a bit of texture as well. So now I'm gonna give this a bit of a rest for almost 15 to 30 minutes. This glass is looking after me, so I'm gonna take out lemonade. You guys probably have watched this video of how we made lemonade. I'm gonna put this in the freeze. Oh my god, we have a lot of drink at the moment, so beautiful. So I've got corn over here. I'm not gonna do anything mostly with this. I'm just gonna put a little bit of butter on it, nothing much, because if you do a lot of things on it, it's gonna go on a different taste. I'm gonna cook this with the leftover oil from the chicken. Just cut it in half. Way. Ooh la la. So with this corn, just gonna give a bit of a touch with the butter only, nothing much. No salt, no nothing. Because every flavor that comes from a chicken gonna be over here, so I don't want you to put anything else. Chicken and corn goes on their own flavor. Let's peel some potatoes. As peeling it, it's a bit of a different technique. I would normally get a bean over here, but I don't have a bean at the moment. Potato to make a French fry. I don't know how this types you call it, but what I do, you can see it over here. I cut it in half, and then with that half as well, cut it in half. That gives you a bit of a space, and cut it. It will be on a triangle shape like your chips. Now after cutting all the potatoes in your rectangle shape, now you can put this all in a bowl. The most important part for to make a chips is you have to put a water to take all the starch out. So a better idea for this one is you have to put a little bit of salt. So salt provides a moisture to the potatoes, and that does excrete all the starch from it. So if you're diabetic as well, that does help you to have a chips. And for you can see my tummy, I try to eat this one, that's why a little bit less, but I'm still a bit overweight. You don't have to add more salt in it, just a little bit of salt. I've rubbed this one and you can see all the dirty waters, basically it's coming out. I'm gonna give it a bit of a rest until I just clean up my mess over here. Almost it's half an hour. I'm gonna get my gas stove and cook chicken. So you can use this kind of pan which does have like a grill on your pan. It is plant-based plant, they said to me, but I think I was really rough from my, I'm not too sure. You can check on this one, but other pans that came with this are not that good, but this one I haven't found any fault at the moment, but I'm trying to see how I go with this one as well tonight. Just give it a rub with some butter. When you guys use the butter, don't let it go till the last. Just use it when it gives you a bit of a foam like a soap, but it's not a soap though. You can see how this chicken is at the moment. Either you can use your hand or tongs, it's quite big. So with the heat wise, you can choose either with a high heat or a low heat, but I normally prefer in a bit of a medium heat, so at least it gets its own juiciness and own texture. So for now, I would recommend for you guys not to turn this over at the moment, because you can see the whiteness on this side, there is none at the moment. It needs to be a little bit of whiteness over here, so that gives you a feeling of it had started being cooked. So you want all the linings on the side as well, so you can see how the grilled chicken is formed. So now you can turn your chicken, you can feel how it's looking over here. Just give it a bit of a press as well. Now doing this, I would also like to make my potato. I love to use Moroccan sauce. Not sauce, it's a salt. This much should be fine. And just give it a bit of a rub as well inside it. So now there's... Now I'm just gonna add my corn as well. In your fryer, chips is going on over here, corn. Just for a bit of a tenderness through those both things, that can be added on the corn. Now you can see your chicken is almost like 60% cooked. You can turn, but don't turn in a way that does gives you a bit of shape as well. So to check a chicken, just always give it a cut, either on the side or in the middle. I love to give on the side as well. My God, you love this. So I've turned the gas off. So now chips is ready. Add a bit of Moroccan salt over here. And when you just roll the chips. It needs to make a bit of sound like a metal. Then it's ready. For garnishing, you know what we love the most, salads. Guys, finally, I don't know which hand do you prefer to use, but I always prefer to cut things from the right hand because I'm a bit of a righty hand. You can see how it's cooked. Juiciness is overloaded, and I will show you the chips. I love to dig with my hand. Corn. Oh my god. So guys, it's in my mouth at the moment. You'll love to have this at your home. It doesn't take a long time to make. You need a beautiful half an hour for your wife, for your brother, mom and dad to just make this thing. I would be much happy if you just give me a suggestion over here in my channel. And also I would like you to share, like and subscribe. Kenchuto, we would be definitely getting more videos every day. There is a short video over there. You can see, you can watch, you can love, you can react as well. And if you feel we are not doing something great, just leave us a comment so we can always improve from the next time. Thank you for watching, guys. See you. Take care.